with the people over hills and valleys too. Hey you guys, it's your girl Natalie. So today I'm going to be showing you some various ways that you can adorn your locks. I'm pretty much going to be using a bunch of clips, you know, different clip styles. And I'm also going to take it back because I realized all of a sudden hair ties, or I used to call them bubbles, like when he was younger. I realized that's a style. As usual, I'm going to showcase it to you. If you like it, you do it. If you don't, thanks for watching. It's cute. It might come in handy for your daughter, your sister, whoever else is here, you do, okay? And without further ado, let's jump straight into this video.
So first off, these clips that you see, I got off of Amazon. It came with a cute carrying case and they're really, really nice clips. These are some diamond ones I just got at the beauty supply store. These are your regular schmeg pins, and then these are the bubbles that I'm talking about. So those are the items that I'm going to be working with in this video. For the first style, I'm literally just taking 2 of the clips and I'm partitioning off the front of my locks and I'm placing them right there. Super simple, super easy, but yet still super cute. I just feel like it gets your hair out of your face and it just gives a little extra something to the hairstyle. So this is the first look. So for the next one, I'm literally just adding another clip. My clips are kind of big, so I'm just going to go ahead and put 2, but you can add how many clips you want depending on the size of your clips. I think it's so cute. It's so spring. It's so summer. It's so fresh, you know. I really like to put my hair back when I put these clips because I just feel like it puts more attention on the clip. So as you can see, with your hair all back, you're looking goddess-like. You're looking whimsical. I just really like the look, and I hope you guys like it too. So this is how it looks with 2. So for the third one, I'm going to put my hair all to one side, and again, I'm literally just going to put 3 clips in my head. I tried to switch it up with the pattern, with the design, with the shape to give it a little bit of interest. So as you can see, I'm putting a smaller one in now, then I'm going to go ahead and put a bigger one in, and then I'm kind of just going to put my hair to the side, and I think this is really, really cute. It just gives it a little bit something extra than just having your hair to the side. Like I literally could do this without these pins, but to me it just gives it a little bit something, especially if you're taking pictures or if you're going to like a party and you just want to look a little bit different. So yeah, this is the third one. Alright, so for this next one, we're going to be using the regular hairpins from the beauty supply store. What's interesting about these is that I actually had these from when my hair was blonde. So as you're going to see, these pins are kind of like a bronzy shade that of course matched with my bronzy blondish locks. But now that my locks are black, they give like a special like, don't throw away your little pins or your little accessories when you change your hair color, because as you can see, this gives it a very, very nice flare. The fact that it's not black, like it's bronze, so it's popping, you know, it's just popping out a little bit. And you guys, I love gold, so anything gold or bronzy, I'm all here for it. Of course, you can use other color pins. They have white, black. You can get any color in here pin, so you can also do that. You know, matches with your outfit. That'll be really, really cute. So I did this style on Instagram, I think during the summer, and everyone really, really liked it. And it literally was this simple. This is how simple it was. You can even do this going straight back. Like if you did like a little fishtail braid going all the way back. Oh my gosh. And then you put the pins in. That'll be super cute. But I like things to the side. So as you can see, we're done. Super simple. But tell me, it don't look like you're hopping out of a magazine. Where we going? What we doing? Vogue, Essence. Where we going with this style? Okay, it looks so cute but yet so simple. So yeah, this is the next one. Okay, so now we're going to be using the same exact clips, but instead of just going straight down with it, we're going to add a little bit of interest to it, and we're going to crisscross it, okay? So as you can see, I'm kind of making like the shape of an X, crossing them over one another. I have my hair part down the middle, and I'm making these little X's in my head. Again, super, super easy, but so chic, like, come on. So simple and so cute, like, come on. What do you want better? You know me. I love quick, easy styles that just look poppin'. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm putting another one, and that is it. After this, I'm going to put my hair back because, you know, like I said before, sometimes these styles, I think it looks really cute and just like real effortless when you put your hair in one, but then you have a little something special about it. So I went ahead and put my hair in one, and this is it. I don't know, this to me just screams summertime, warm weather, tan, beach, bronze, drinks, outside. But yeah, this is the next one. All right, now for these infamous bubbles, literally taking it back in time, and I'm just gonna put 2 ponytails on either side of my hair in a half up, half down type of situation. And yeah, super simple, super easy, and super cute. Alright, so now I'm simply just going to put my hair half up, half down. I'm going to use a regular hair tie just in case, you know, I didn't know if the bubbles could handle holding up that amount of hair. So I'm going to use a regular hair tie, put half of my hair up, and then I'm going to go over top that with the bubbles. I did go a little bit ham with the bubbles, okay? I put a lot, but I kind of liked it because it made it high. Like, it made it look a little bit more cool. I don't know. I like the fact that it was like a big high kind of situation going on top of my head. You guys are gonna see I went a little ham, you know. I was like, okay, let me do the pink, let me do the white, okay, clear, okay, now, oh, let's add some blue. All right, blue is cute. Okay, wait, what? Okay, let's do another blue. You know, it's another blue, and then you thought it was done. I'm not done yet. We're doing another clear, and now we're done. All right, so yeah, like, but literally you obviously don't have to do all of that. You could put 1, you could put 2, you could put as much as I did, but I thought it was cute because it was so high. So yeah, this is the next one. So this is the last bubble one that I'm going to do, and literally I'm just doing 2 pigtails on either side of my head. Very, very simple, very, very easy, something that I'm sure you did when you were younger or you're still doing, I don't know. But definitely be creative with these styles, you know. There's no rules to this. That's pretty much what I'm showcasing in this video. It's not necessarily about just the styles because these are all very, very simple. It's just to show you there's no rules. Do what you want to do. Mix up the colors. Put as many as you want. Do what you want, okay? It's your hair. There's no rules. Make it fun. Make it creative. And do you. So, yeah, this is the next one. Sidebar. The girl be in a whole concert. If you see a girl, if you see man singing, hand movements, hand motions, everything. Singing from the gut. Okay, so lastly, I literally realized that I forgot to show you guys these kind of diamond-like ones. So I'm just going to place them in my hair just so you guys can see. When I did wear this the last time, I believe I had my hair in a bun. And I just like the, you know, the little sparkle that it gives to the style. It says vibes and it says iconic. All things that I'm trying to give this lifelong, forever, all right? So yeah, pretty much that completes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got some ideas, you know, just showcase your creativity with your hair. There are no rules, all right? So definitely follow me on my social media, my Instagram, same name as the YouTube, Crown Me, Rasta Doll. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces.